In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 for your internet connection. Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 is a free DNS service that can help speed up your internet browsing, provide greater privacy, and enhance your online security. Setting it up is fairly straightforward, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, let's dive into your computer settings. Begin by heading over to the Settings menu. You'll want to look for the option labeled Network and Internet. This is where you can manage all the network connections on your device. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it, and it will open up a list of options related to your network configuration. Next, you need to find a link that says Change Adapter Options. This is crucial because it will take you to the area where you can see all the active and available network connections on your device. It's basically a list of how your computer is connecting to the internet. You might see several connections if your computer has a Wi-Fi connection, Ethernet, or even Bluetooth settings for internet. Now, identify the network connection that you are currently using. You can easily do this by seeing which connection shows you're online. Once you've identified it, right-click on this connection. A drop-down menu will appear, and you should select the option labeled Properties. This action will bring up a window with a list of items that configure your network connection. Here, you want to focus specifically on something listed as Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, and Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6. You might see these listed as IPv4 and IPv6, and these are protocols that direct your internet traffic. Click on each one to select them, and then click the Properties button. This will open another window where you'll see an option labeled Use the following DNS server addresses. Select this option because it will allow you to enter specific DNS addresses manually. Now, here's where you input the Cloudflare DNS addresses. For the IPv4 settings, enter 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. These are the DNS addresses provided by Cloudflare, which are faster and more secure. If you're also configuring IPv6, you should enter the addresses 226.06, 4700, 4700, 101.1, and 26.06, 44700, 4700, 1001. After you've carefully entered these DNS addresses, you'll want to confirm your entries by clicking OK. This ensures all the information is applied, and your device will now use the Cloudflare DNS service for internet activities. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your computer to use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1, enhancing both your internet speed and security. Enjoy browsing with a faster and more secure internet connection.